Hi everyone, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Videos. In this video, I will discuss all the important points related to JEE Main 2021 which has been announced today. So I will give all the summary about the announcement that is being made today about JEE Main 2021. So in this video, I will talk about is there any change in syllabus or can dropper participate, that means from 2019 dropper can participate or not, is there any pattern change, or in which question there will be no negative marks. So I will talk about all the things and I will discuss about the registration date schedule that you need to follow and the shift duration that will be held for the exam, and is there 75% criteria is removed or not, and in which question there will be no negative marks. So watch this video till the end so that you can get all the important points about JEE 2021 completely. And if you have any doubt after watching this video, you can ask me in the comment section or on my Instagram. And if you are first to my channel, please subscribe it so that you can get further update on JEE Main 2021 in future also. And for many videos, check the I button as well as the description box for the cutoff related to NIT, IIT, IIT. So let us start the today's video with registration and schedule. So application process will begin very soon, that is from tomorrow or on day after tomorrow, and the last date to apply will be from the starting to next 1 month. That means you have 1 month time to apply for JEE 2021, and the admit card will be released in the first week of February, that is tentative, it may be changed or not. And the exam date is fixed now, that is from 23rd February to 26th February the first attempt will be done, and the next three attempts will be done in similar manner in the month of March, April and May. So one thing should be noted here that during the application I will demonstrate live in upcoming videos about how to apply for JEE Main 2021, and for that you need one photograph on which your name and date of clicking of photo will be printed. So be aware of this and be sure that your name and date is printed on the photo that will be required to upload during the application. So now I will talk about the shift duration that will be used for exam. The first shift will be from 9 to 12 and the second will be from 3 to 6, that is 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. and the morning shift will be 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. So the next is syllabus and pattern. So there will be no change in syllabus as the earlier syllabus was. This year syllabus will be same as of earlier syllabus, and but one thing is good for this year is instead of 75 there will be 90 question, out of which you need to solve 75 question, and section A will have 20 question from each subject and B have 10 question, out of which 5 to be solved. That means for each PCM the 10 question will be given in the B section on which you have to solve only 5, and those 5 will not carry any negative marking. So this 15 question, that is from 5 from each PCM, there will be no negative marks for that I have talked earlier. There will be no negative marking for the 15 optional question. Optional because you have to solve 15 out of 30 question from B section. So the exam will take place in as many as 12 or 13 languages. So earlier it was only English, Hindi and Gujarati, but this year many languages, so you will be very comfortable for in your regional language also. So now I will talk about the important points that you need to keep in mind. Bonus marks will be given if you have selected any one right answer. That means suppose if any question have two right answer and you have selected other option, that means A and C are correct but you have selected D, then you will got the negative marking. And if you have selected anyone A or C, then you will get the full marks. And if you don't select anyone, then you will don't get any marks, you will be awarded 0 marks. So this is a new from this time. And 75% criteria is not removed. You need to score 75 or above, or in a, to be in a 20% top 20 percentile in your state board to get admission in NIT, triple IT, IIT. So, and one more important thing, this 2019 dropper can't participate in this year JEE advanced exam. So for 2019 student it is not possible to participate this year. And the exam result will be out after 5 days of exam. That means for the first attempt the result will be out on or before 2nd of March. And you can attempt all or 1 2 3 as many as you can, as you wish. If you have any problem during first attempt, you can attempt it later, or you can attempt all the exam. There will be no criteria like you have to attempt all or not. So you can attempt as many as you can. So, and one more important thing, that you don't need any document now. That is, if you are going to apply through EWS category or any reserved category, then you don't need the certificate now. You can make the certificate in future and it will be required during the counseling. So don't worry about the document, you just need to tick the option if you are belonging from EWS or any other category. So this is all about the JEE 2021 announcement. Hope you find this video useful, and if you have any doubt after watching this video, you can ask me in the comment section or Instagram. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. Thanks.